Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font on Squarespace. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, that you have your template right here and it is ready to change the font. For example, here, all right, these ones right here are fonts. What we're going to do is just basically tap or click on Site Styles, click on it. As you can see here, there's an option called Fonts. All right, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it or click on this one right here, and you'll be headed to this section, the fonts section. Go ahead and click on all fonts packs right here if you want to select a particular font for all of your words and letterings right here. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to use this one from Lilita 1, IBM Plex Mono. Click on it, and as you can see, the fonts have been changed. All right, all of these fonts right here have been changed to Lilita 1 IBM Plex Mono. Again, go back to fonts right here in the font section. Go ahead and change the baseline. All right, for example, here 16 pixels. Just click on plus to make it bigger and minus to make it smaller. For paragraphs right here, as you can see, it is set to IBM Plex. Now, if you want to customize this to a different font, just go ahead and click on it. All right, and click on the drop down right here and select your font. All right, let's say, for example, I wanted to use this one, Black Ops 1. As you can see here, it has been changed automatically. Now going back, let's say for example, this one right here, which is the paragraphs. We're going to want to change the line height. As you can see here, the line spacing. All right. And that's basically how to change the font on Squarespace. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.